Okay, so we're going to so what's this? Let's check if what is this. So this is Anza from GNT product. So for today's video, unboxing pa na. Wala no kung anong laman ito. You know what? Yan. Upo na nga lang tayo. Pero pinaasa lang ako. Bakit? Bakit kasi? Nakakainis. Akala ko talaga malaki siya. Malaking malaki. You know, pero hindi ko alam. Ikain na lang natin ng saging. Mas malaki pa yung saging kaysa in-order ko. Ano yun? So, let's see. So, unboxing natin ito. So, dahil mag-unboxing tayo, kakain mo na ako ng saging. Love nila pag meron yung ganito. It means matamis siya. Very delicious. So, dapat pag bumili kayo ng saging, maiksi yung pinaka puno niya. Hindi as in puno, pero yung handle niya. Handle daw. Bahala na kayo. Basta, yun na yun. Okay na. Next up also, let's begin our unboxing. Anyway guys, meron din akong apple dito. Meron din akong punkan. Hindi ko alam kung mandarin. So anytime pag nagutom ako, mayroon akong kakainin. Maganda ko na ako ganito. Meron akong spicy seaweed. So actually ayaw kong magutom. So nag-stop ako ng food. Kasi mahirap na magutom tayo. So alhamdulillah, thank you very much for the food. So marami pang darating na blessing. At ito lang naman, let's the notification natin is ito. Yan lang. Ito yung unang dumating, which is Korean brand. So dahil Korean brand siya, K-Skin, I was expected that this is like, the measurement is very good. I expected na mas malaki pa siya sa bag ko, kanan. I expected na. Pero pag i-compare ko siya, ito malaki pa itong bag ko. So pag i-compare ko, hanggang dyan lang siya. So I disappoint. Pero ito naman siya. Okay na, pero juicy. Hindi lang kaya mo, diba? This is it. So i-unboxing natin kung maganda ba siya. Oh, for the first touch, I'm impressed. Even it's too small, but really nice. Ito pala yung hawakan ko. Ito pala yung ito pala yung ito na ko yung hawakan dahil maganda siya. See? Steamer head. My God, hindi pala sa akin kasi ayoko na. Welcome to my channel for today's video. Unboxing time. So yan, nothing inside. So may naman siya dito. So mahigit. Mahigit. Pwede siya guys. Mahigit lang siya. Kumpara sa expect ko. Niya. Ang cute niya. Pwede siyang i-hand carry. Yan. So lalagyan natin siya ng tubig. And let's start it. So for sure, ganito siya. Ilapon natin. Hanggang sa sumikip. Sumikip na masikip. Ay, meron pa na. Meron siyang pinaka, ito, ayan, i-match mo siya. Ipasok mo hanggang, ikutin mo hanggang ganyan. Ayun. Sakto guys. So, lagyan natin siya ng tubig. Sinaksak ko lang dito sa what's this? Water. Baka naman. Hindi ako nagpo-promote, pero baka naman. Gawin akong promoter. Char. Yes, this is very nice. So, dahil lagyan natin siya ng tubig, lalagyan. Let's open this. This one. You know ba kung ano to? It is my steamer. Facial steamer. So, max mo lang. Ayan, may lagyan natin ng tubig. Maximum. Ay, lumag pa siya. Ayan. Dapat maximum. No, pero lumag pa siya. Let's see if mag-system siya. Then, yan natin. Nandito yung switch on off. Ayun, nag-green. So, gumana siya. So, ito yung stemmer head niya. Iikot-ikotin mo ito hanggang sa hilo ka. Ikutin mo lang para naggana na siya. I always, you know, check the price of this. You know how much is this? Very cute, very accessible. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. So, like, ang size niya is, let's see the tissue. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, let's continue. Dahil, sinusukat ko kung gaano siya kalaki. So, sa Viva na tissue, as in, 3/4 lang siya. So, very small. Pero, okay na rin siya for the home. Magagamit mo sa bahay. If you want to do your facial. So, this is it. Let's try if i-effect pa siya dahil nag-i-steam pa siya. Let's do this head turn round. Baka dumiretso sa akin. So, storytelling. Let's continue eating this banana because I really craving this. Kita natin ang kain. If you want it, take it, and I don't like it anymore. You know? Ang ganda ko naman dito. Sana ganito ako lagi. Laging fresh. Maganda. Maganda lang pala sa filter. Huwag kang bitter dyan. Mag-filter ka rin para magkumanta ka. As you can see guys, silo. Rinig niyo yun? Ayan o, lumalabas na yung usok niya. Kita niyo yun, yung usok. Ayan o. Ayan, so I can do my facial. My home. Dapat ang ilalagay mineral talaga yung drinking water. So kasi bago pa siya, para lang siyang yung smell niya, yung ng tubig is as in bago pa lang, bagong-bago. So hindi mo kailangan mo muna siyang pakuluin, mag-i-steam. So avoid touching this because this is so hot for you. So also this, it's not hot if you touch. And this is the rounding head. So pwede mo siyang iharap sa mukha mo, or pagtapos ka na pwede mo siyang iganon. As you can see guys, it's working very good. 100% satisfied, 100% good condition, 100% it's very useful, but I will see if this will be long last kasi very small siya. At saka, as you can see guys, look at that, very small. And huwag mong hawakan to, don't touch this because this area is really hot. So parang siyang boiling kitten. So ayan o, dito lumalabas yung steam niya, yung hot ng steam niya. Ayan siya. As you can see, there is see, as usok sa Tagalog, usok. May usok na siya, so this will hit your skin to prepare to open the pores, to prepare also to clean the blackheads, whiteheads to your nose and all over of your face. So magki-cleanse siya, at saka purifying naman siya. So this is really good. So enough na kasi masyado siya, ayan, init. Mainit yung switch on off niya. Mainit. Pinatay ko na kasi hindi pala siya pwedeng matagalan kasi kailangan maximum lang yung motor niya dahil dito lumalabas yung usok niya. Guys, be careful of this because I think if you put too high, about more than the maximum of water, umaapaw siya. So be careful. So may mali ako dito kasi naglagay ako ng tubig ng mas marami. So sobrang init niya. Mainit siya guys. Okay. Parang gusto kong i-ano. This is for the home only. Hindi siya pwedeng pang ano, pang business. Pang personal use lang pwede siya. Papahiya ka sa client kung ganito. But anyway, thank you, Timo. Thank you for this product, but I am not really assure you to recommend this kind of facial steamer because I experienced the heat of this product, this item. So before you purchase, guys, check first the rate, the review before you add to cart. Okay, because for me, I just see the picture, the photos, and I did not even check the review if this is really good. But when I receive it, I'm very excited to open up. And then see, as you can see, guys, we tested, it's working good, but very hot. You cannot touch this while it's boiling the water. So until now it's still hot, and also really I cannot recommend this. Sorry, Timo, but I cannot recommend this for the business. If you think that you can use this for your client, no, don't use it. Just for yourself, you can use for like 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes. I just on this one, and then it's really hot, and I'm scared about because it's the stink is really, it's burning, you know. So be careful. And this is my real review. This is what I'm experiencing. So I just want to share to you. So read the caption first, read the review, and read the description before you purchase, before you add to cart, and pay it. So sorry, Timo, but I no Timo ba? Amazon. I ordered this from Timo, but very quick. I received this like 3 days after I purchased. So very fast delivery, but the rest of my order is still pending because it's out of country. So that's it. So I just want to share you guys what I am experiencing about this facial steamer. Okay, so see you for the next video, and this is my blog and my review. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you for the next video.